Well, it's a good morning from a very tired me. I can't even begin to think why I'm tired. Nothing to do with the bloody Americans flying over about an hour ago. But I was up anyway, wasn't I? Because I'm off to see Ava, and yeah, I'm a little bit nervous, as you can imagine. It's a massive thing that I'm doing, but oh my goodness, it's so exciting! I cannot wait. So I've got to get the bus, and then I've got to get 4 trains. It's going to take about 4 hours, give or take. So I've got plenty of time to, I don't know, just procrastinate and just start planning, really. I had some lush time with some friends yesterday, and they've given me loads of ideas on different things to do, which I'm obviously going to get involved with, such as like little travel books and things like that, you know, documenting things on paper, which I really like the sort of the sound of. If you think, you know, like when you go and stay in an Airbnb or something like that, you go and stay in a hotel or a nice place, you fill in a guest book. It's kind of going to be like that, but just basically documenting down all of the adventures, really. But oh god, I've gone really nervous because there's people around. How am I going to do this? But hey, I've got to get used to it. Face for radio, right? Anyway, the bus is going to be here in about 1 minute. So I'm going to leave you for now. I'm going to love you and leave you, and we'll see you at the next stop, which will be Swindon. I cut you off on the last bit. I don't really think I should be walking around Swindon with a camera, to be fair, but yeah, there's not really a good bit of Swindon. I suppose the signs saying you were leaving Swindon's the best bit of it, but I'm nearly at the station. Just got off the bus, and it's quick 2-minute walk, and then I'm gonna grab a coffee, I guess, because I haven't had one yet. Yeah, welcome to Swindon in all its glory. Beautiful Swindon, beautiful Swindon. Look, there's a train. There's a train. It's a bit dark, isn't it? Hello. So I've arrived at Guildford. Getting there, slowly but surely. The sun's out. It's been pretty mad so far. The train to Reading was absolute chaos. It always is. It's the Paddington train, right? Apparently there's some football going on and stuff today, but obviously I'm not going to that because I don't do football. I do vans. Yeah, so far so good. Hope you're having a lovely day. Well, it's in typical British fashion, there's always a drama, right? Wherever you go. So the train has broken down. So I don't know where we are. Hazelmere, wherever that is. Pretty much 3/4 of the way there, I think. But the train has hit something, or something has hit the train, and it's been reported that there is damage, and they've got a brake fault due to whatever it was that hit the front of it. Yeah, not ideal. Train stuck on the platform, and we need to get the train off so the next train can come and take me on a little bit further. But I thought I'd just capture a little bit of footage, just because it's all part of the fun, isn't it? The excitement. Not for the driver, of course, and not for South Western Railway, but yeah, we'll see what happens. See, look, see the guys down there having a chat, but I think I'm too shy to go down and nosy, but if the train goes, it will be going back the way it came, so we will get to see the front of it. Well, I'll keep you posted. I'm on my way still, obviously, just a little bit of a delay. See you in a bit. Well, I must be by the seaside because I can hear the birdies singing. Yeah. Welcome to Bognor Regis, Lucie. Right, let's go and do this. Let's go and see the magical Ava and start this new chapter. I am absolutely shattered. It's took, well, nearly 6 hours to get here today, to be honest, because of the various delays and everything else, but all done. I'm shattered. Adrenaline's running low, but I've got a little bit left for what's about to come, so I'm about 4 minutes away from the house. I live right next to the station, so it's all good. Anyway, I will check in later. See you in a bit.